Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is networking.
So as you can see, we are in a little bit of a different location than our normal location. We're out in my parents' cabin right now at this moment in time. So a little bit of a scenery change for y'all.
Yeah.
We'll start off with that. So the importance of networking in your business can be absolutely huge. You know, it's what separates you from being, well, no name and no one knows about you, to everyone knows about you, which can be a very good thing for your business.
Yeah, and so networking doesn't necessarily have a financial gain tied to it either, but making new contacts can expand your reputation and later on lead to perhaps money-making ventures.
Yeah, which, you know, that's ultimately what you're after in your business. You know, it's good not to be solely comprised off of all the time just being in it for making a quick buck or making that money, so to speak. You know, sometimes doing things for free or for pro bono or getting with other people and helping them out, and then they come over and help you, or they collaborate with you on a particular job, and you know, and it's not, and you don't really keep score of that, can be very impactful in your business at crucial times when you need it. Last year I went and helped a guy by the name of Ben Beckett at Beckett Forge. I took and helped him on an architectural job that he was working on. And he just paid me a wage. I left it up to him what he wanted to take and pay me. He gave me room and board and stuff while I was there. It was a really cool experience. I got to take and help him out and his assistant Chris in his shop, and it was a wonderful experience. Had a great time. I was able to get a lot of work done for him. Now that didn't directly actually help me. I could have made more money just by staying home, but by doing that little bit of networking, not only have I made a close contact as a friend, but there's always that open door again that, you know, hey, maybe I need something in my shop that I need some help with. You know, I need an extra pair of hands, and he can take and fulfill that for me. And that's a great way of illustrating networking at its best.
Yeah, so that's one example of networking. You've talked to about networking with or meeting people down at the scrapyard that are just local as well. Yeah,
and you know, and that's, again, you know, everybody out there possesses a skill or an ability. And if you can unlock that skill or ability and somehow be able to use that to benefit yourself and use your skills and abilities to benefit somebody else, you can really create a pretty awesome empire, company, whatever you want to call it. It's a great trade-off, and it's a great way to build some friendships along the way. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Yep. And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.